How to reduce the noise of water-cooled chiller. The noise sources of the cooling water tower include fan noise, water falling noise, reducer noise, motor noise, valve noise, and cooling pump noise, etc. Among them, the main noise is the fan and water falling, sprinkling, noise. Therefore, it is necessary to reduce the noise of the water-cooled chiller. The following measures can be taken to reduce noise from supporting equipment, cooling water tower. 1. Reduce fan noise, such as using low speed, large diameter, new blade shape, broad blade, small blade angle, belt drive, and other measures, which can effectively reduce the noise of the fan unit. 2. Reduce water noise, including reducing the water depth of the pool, adopting a special pool structure, laying a fine mesh nylon net on the top of the water, and floating a polyurethane foam layer on the water. 3. Adopt additional noise reduction measures. In order to reduce the noise of the cooling water tower, silencers can be added outside the air exhaust and air inlets, or the air inlet louvers can be changed to sound-absorbing louvers. Special attention should be paid to not significantly reducing the cooling effect.